Another day in Thailand. Not sunny today, but that's okay. It's nice and cool, very cool. So I bought this thing yesterday, the Longwell Mig 160. It came with that darkening helmet for free, but it was missing two cables. The two cables for the tape, I guess you call it. I don't know. Like I mentioned, I don't know too much about this stuff, but it's missing some cables. So I'm gonna take it back to DoHome. See if I can get those cables. They have a paper here on the top, but I guess that says the stuff that's supposed to be inside, maybe. I don't know. Even if, I mean, the cable's wearing it, so I'm taking it back. This is the one they had on display. I did not notice that. And so was the helmet, I guess, because the cover was like that too. So I'm gonna take it back. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'll get my stuff and be on my way, or get a new box. Man, those ducks and geese in the back were bad in the morning. This morning, I don't know, 5 o'clock in the morning, and they had somebody put music and talk. How about that cover in the back of the truck, or on the back of the truck, for the rain, in cases like today? I can put this box over there now. Not worry about it. Yeah. Anyways, here's Nuch's plant, the one she bought the other day. It's called a lipstick plant because of that little thing coming up right there. This right here look like a lipstick, but then it turns into a flower. Enough of that. Let's get out of here.
Welcome to Rican Thai family with Nuch, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai family.
I got this place. Look at that cat over there. What's he looking for? Trying to get a bird, maybe. So we got some brick from this people. And now we're trying to get some change. Oh, look at this thing. Look at this beetle right here. Anyways, here we are. So they didn't have change, so Nick is trying to buy something else over here so we can get some change. Oh, this looks a lot bigger than what they have over here. We come here a lot too, huh? Get my coffee over here, a Dow, and good to go. Return this machine. This is looking nice, huh? Dirty quickly. Already bought some stuff. Now I gotta push it over. Alright, let me get to work. Wait. Done! We're back. Luke is getting me some coffee over there. A boy. DoHome quickly gave us what we needed. Not a big deal. This guy still with that loud announcements for DoHome. Yeah. Very cool, very good people. I'm sure it's not the same for everybody, but having Nuch makes a difference, I guess, with somebody that speaks the language and knows their customs and the way to talk to them and stuff. So I'm sure if I was doing it alone, it would be hectic and I would be angry, and like anybody else, I would be like, hey, just give me my money. But being with Nuch, everything works out. Anyways, let's go to Macro. Well, Nuch wants to get some food over here somewhere, so we'll do that first, and then we'll do the U-turn and go to Macro, and I guess that's it. Then we'll go home. I don't have much to do at home. I was thinking of doing the pizza today, but I don't know. I made the Poolish. I don't know how to say it. I guess Poolish. Something that you make before you make the flour. You know, before you make the mix for the pizza. I made that yesterday, and I looked at it this morning. It looks pretty good. Fermented. I mixed it with the flour today and water and sea salt, and that'll be it. So I'll probably make the pizza today. We'll see, because it's already raining. I might just make it tomorrow. I guess they paid this guy to just go around. Oh, there's two. That's a different truck. There's two of them going around, huh? Looks like there's two. And I guess that's it. That's all we'll do today. They opened this place at 7:30. 7:30 in the morning they opened this place. And Macro, wow. Macro opens at 6. It says on the sign right there, 6. Alright, here's my coffee. Don't you get a donut? Nothing today? No. Okay. Let me see the coffee. I'll hold it for you. Okay. Dow. Thank you, Dow. No, I talk about the lady. Dow. I wonder if that's her real name. Has to be. That's her place. So. Anyways, here's my Dow coffee today. Latte.
No coffee, no. Dow coffee.
What is this?
I say no Nuch coffee, Dow coffee.
Oh, no coffee yet?
No.
Yeah,
Already in the morning.
we can make a Nuch coffee. No?
Morning.
You can make a restaurant. I keep telling you, you should. Oh, one would have been enough.
I'm lazy. Okay, good.
Only when you need is when you do something, I know.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I guess I can back up. Alright, let's get out of here. No OSHA here. See that?
See what?
They do what they have to do. They get up there and just do it. Man, that's a lot of trucks, huh? Look, all the way from when we started over there.
Every light for
Yeah, I didn't record the whole thing, but look at that. Wow. Look, they're just hanging there.
See, you said they don't work their work.
Who said that on one? I didn't say that. Yeah. So we're on our way home. But I'm gonna stop on Lotus to see if I can find a plastic bowl to make my pizza dough. And I'll probably eat some KFC. Hungry. I'm the only one hungry. Nuch says she's okay. She ate some pork and rice before.
You want some burger?
What? Somebody said they're nasty. They say they sell burgers here and they sell pizza on a little box. Somebody said online that they were nasty. I am not gonna try a burger in a box that's been out all day. No. See, sometimes you have to use common sense when you
No
eat
all
stuff.
day yet. No day finished yet.
Did they finish? Oh, okay. But it's been there for a long time in that box since this morning, since 6 o'clock in the morning. No way. I know. I like to see when the stuff is coming out of the fryer. I'll buy stuff. When stuff is like super hot, like soups and something that's in boiling water or boiling soup or something like that, then I'll eat outside. But something that's been sitting there for a while with the flies and stuff, and no. I know.
Yes.
Nook is tired, so she don't care. She'll eat whatever.
I'm hungry.
She has the stomach for it.
No.
I don't have the stomach. I used to have the stomach for that stuff. You know that?
My stomach yet, but my husband is not.
The heartburn. Oh, I told you to stop eating spicy food.
Cannot.
No, cannot. Well, you will. Don't worry. You like last night. You couldn't sleep. You get a couple of nights like that, you'll stop.
Stop for a little bit.
Yeah. And then do it again. What they call that? Sari?
Said it.
Anyways. Enough of that. 4, 3, go. We made some arepas over here. They were awesome. And she made some beans. So good. Arepa con habichuela frita. Arepa frita con habichuela. It was really good, the bomb. Anything can be done with that. I started preparing the walls over here. And that's it for today. Good day overall. It's gonna rain tomorrow. I was gonna put that cement and bricks over there so the water doesn't go in. But it's gonna rain tomorrow as well. So I'll leave it for another day. Maybe I'll finish that thing in the front for Nuch. I'll probably be it tomorrow. I don't know what else we gotta do laundry. I gotta buy a dryer so we don't have to go over there no more. But it's been raining, you can't really. We have a washer machine to wash it, but we were drying it outside on the sun 2 years ago. But that doesn't work now because it's rainy season. But I think I have to buy a dryer. Yeah, soon to come. Anyways, that's it for today.